with another video. This is going to be my morning routine, so I'm going to give you guys the real deal of what I do in the morning and how I start my day, what I do in my skincare routine, breakfast, vitamins, all that. Gonna hit all the points. First, usually when I wake up in the morning, I use the bathroom. I use the bathroom and I start off with brushing my teeth and then washing my face and the moisturizers, the creams, the toners, all that bullshit. So first I'm gonna be brushing my teeth. So I'm like really, I just woke up, so like my voice is still kind of like fucked up. But what I use right now for my toothpaste is the peppermint oil whitening therapy toothpaste by Crest. I was trying to see if my shit was still. I look crusty, y'all. Like I look like that's how y'all know I fuck with y'all, because I'm giving y'all the ugliness like straight off the bat. Like y'all lucky that my hair is done, because if I was still rocking the fro, I would look fucked up right now. But anyway, let's get started. So what I do first, I wet my toothbrush. And shit, if you don't wet your toothbrush before you brush your teeth, I don't know, something wrong with you. I feel like that's the thing that everybody do, but if you don't do it, then you're on crack. You gotta stop for the thumbnail, like. Turn on. Oh shit, my song is on. Boom, okay. So, I'm not real too particular about my mouthwash, but I'm using the Act. This is given by my fucking dentist. This is the Black Guard Clean Mint, whatever the fuck. So what I do is just like take it basically like a shot, like, you know, what the fuck. Out the way. So now this shit seems so much slower. I'll be getting this shit out the way in the morning time. Okay. So what I'm gonna do next is take the ginseng refresher scrub cleanser. I fuck with this heavy because this shit is the bomb. It's a multitasking scrub cleanser instantly wakes up tired skin with energizing Panax, ginseng, and coffee bean. Gentle grain, smooth and refined. Skin looks radiant and refreshed. Okay. Like I said, this is like one of my favorite like cleansers. Just send him my way. I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta see him in the mood for a little bit more of that. I mean, I'm saying what kind of these is new days. I need at least by 4 of them. Tell me you want me there one day, and I'll be at your door, ready to take a place, ready to give you what you. And you're supposed to be washing your face for 1 minute, like every day. I know what you want. My man is your man, hurt is her man too. My man is your man, hurt that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday.
Wednesday, Thursday, then just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend, 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 weekend,
Okay, we got our face washed. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with my cotton ball and the vitamin C tonic brightening toner by Pixie.
hand in hand, we will be right. Young and hot, puppy lovers, big old kids, both of us coexist. Hand in hand, we will be right.
So now I'm gonna go with the Radiance Perfecting Serum, Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. This is supposed to be potent concentrate that helps brighten and balance the infusions with the infusions of vitamin C and acid, leaving skin naturally luminous and radiant. So I got this from TJ Maxx for $7. Just put it in the palm of my hand and work it into the skin. And my skin is pretty normal, I would say. It does get sensitive sometimes. Now I'm gonna go in with the Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I'm like running out, as y'all can see. Okay. So I used 2 moisturizer because I'm running out of the other ones that I really love, which is this one. But I'm just gonna put it all over my face, work it in there with upward motions. So now I'm gonna take the Banana Sleeping Pack by Tony Moly. And it's like banana, it smells just like banana. So I'm taking that amount. And this keeps my skin really moisturized and smooth. And it smells good. I love the smell of bananas. It smells so sweet. I'm probably gonna record a makeup tutorial for you guys after this one, after I finish this. I don't know what kind of look you guys wanna see, so I'm probably gonna post something on my Instagram. So now I'm going in with the Mario Badescu spray just to set all of this moisture and goodness and love into the skin. I don't know if y'all can hear my music in the background, but I'm playing Janae. I always start my days most of the time playing Janae because she has just like, I don't know, her music just really gives me a good vibe. And I don't know, it makes me happy. So I love when artists drop music consistently. Doja Cat, she always drops music, like, I mean, all the time. And that's why I fuck with her. Actually, I think I might record not a get ready with me, a get to know me and stuff and makeup tutorial because I don't know if I feel like doing all that extra makeup shit today. Cause I have an interview and I can't be doing crazy makeup.
Smoke, sleep.
I'm showing y'all my breakfast and shit, I'm going to lay my eggs out. So this is my scarf that I use. We're going to head on to the next thing. I'm going to show y'all what I eat in the morning. It's pretty consistent. I don't really change up what I eat in the morning, especially when I'm making it from home. So yeah, we're going to go ahead to that. I'm going to show you guys what I do every so other day. I put my crystals out just so they can revitalize their energies. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know all the names of these crystals. I totally forgot some, because I didn't write down the names. But I'm probably gonna make a video on my crystals and, like, you know, healing and stuff like that. I'm missing 2 right now because I took them the other day to out while I was out. But this one is rose quartz. These 2 are rose quartz right here. This one is citrine. I believe I'm saying that right. Like I said, I'm gonna make a video for you guys and show you what they mean. I really got these 2 to align my root chakra, and I forgot what the orange chakra was called, but I usually get them to coordinate with my chakra and the different colors and what they mean and what the energy is supposed to give you. So I just want to share that with you guys because you can put them in the moonlight, you can put them in the sunlight, just so they can get their energies on or whatever. So that's what they looking like. So right now I have my eggs. I'm about to cut up my peach and my strawberries for my yogurt, and then I have some bacon cooking right now. The oil is heating up for my eggs. So yeah, I don't usually eat pork, but I love pork bacon. I know it's bad, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna eat. And then I'm going to take some granola. I got this is the Honey Bunches of Oats granola, honey roasted. This is bomb as hell. Like, this actually tastes better than the bare naked granola that I usually eat. But like I said, this is bomb. So I'm just gonna have some yogurt, some granola, some bacon and eggs. Sometimes I don't get to do the yogurt and strawberries and stuff because it takes too long to cut up, you know, boppity bop. So sometimes I just do the eggs and bacon, you know, put it on the pan and be out the door. I know that seems backwards, but like, I don't know, I like warm food in the morning. I don't really like cold. So if I do have time, I think I'm gonna start switching it up actually and just start doing this in the morning, and then like when I have time and shit, I'll do the eggs and bacon. Okay, so this is the finished product of the breakfast portion of the morning routine. But like I said, I got some granola, some vanilla yogurt by Chobani, some peaches, strawberries, some bacon and eggs. But yeah, I'm not going to talk too much because I'm hungry as shit and I don't want my food to get cold. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Thank you for watching my morning routine. I really do appreciate it. Hope to see y'all in my next video. So stay tuned. Thank you again for watching. Have a blessed day.